Motorcycle fans, 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting years we've seen in decades. From futuristic electric beasts to next-gen cruisers that blend classic style with cutting-edge tech, manufacturers are pulling out all the stops. In this video, we're counting down the most anticipated motorcycles coming in 2026. And trust me, number one on this list might just blow your mind. Number 10. Honda CBR 1000RR Fireblade, Next Gen. Honda's Fireblade is a legend, and the 2026 version is rumored to be the sharpest yet. Expect MotoGP-inspired aerodynamics with integrated winglets that keep it stable at blistering speeds. A lighter frame, updated electronics, and possibly semi-active suspension could make it both a track weapon and a weekend canyon carver. Honda doesn't just make updates, they perfect them, and this Fireblade could set a new standard. Number 9. 2026 Yamaha MT-10 Hybrid. Yamaha might be taking the MT-10 into the hybrid era, pairing its aggressive inline-4 with electric assist. This means instant torque for city rides, but still plenty of power for long trips. And don't worry, Yamaha's not about to ditch that signature exhaust growl. If they can keep the weight down, this could be the first hybrid motorcycle that riders actually lust after. Number 8. 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R Final Edition. The ZX-14R, Kawasaki's long-standing hypertourer, might be getting its farewell edition in 2026. Expect over 200 horsepower, refined ride modes, cornering ABS, and a stunning final edition paint job. If the rumors are true, this will be a once-in-a-lifetime chance to own a piece of sport bike history before it leaves production for good. Number 7. 2026 Suzuki GSX-R 750 Revival. The GSX-R 750 has always been the perfect middle ground between agility and power. Suzuki's rumored revival could bring a full TFT display, modern electronic aids, and a lighter, stiffer chassis. It's the kind of sport bike that can dominate track days, but still feel friendly enough for spirited street rides. Fans of the 750 era, this is your comeback moment. Number 6. 2026 Harley-Davidson Livewire S2 Touring. An electric Harley touring bike might sound unlikely, but the Livewire S2 Touring could change minds. Think over 200 miles of range, charging in under 45 minutes, and full touring gear, saddlebags, windscreen, the works. Add Harley's signature muscle bike styling, and you've got a cruiser for the electric age. Number 5. 2026 Triumph Tiger 1300 Rally Pro. Adventure riders, get ready. The next Tiger 1300 Rally Pro could be lighter, more powerful, and loaded with tech like radar-assisted cruise control. That means it can automatically match your speed to traffic ahead, a huge bonus for long highway stretches. With Triumph's proven off-road performance, this could be the ultimate globetrotter. Number 4. 2026 BMW R1200GS Adventure Electric Assist. The GS Adventure is already the king of go-anywhere bikes, but 2026 might bring an e-boost feature, electric torque assist for steep climbs, and quick highway passes. Combine that with BMW's comfort, massive fuel range, and advanced electronics, and you have a bike ready to conquer continents. Number 3. 2026 Ducati Pentagal 5.4 SP3. Ducati's Pentagal lineup is pure speed art, and the SP3 could be their finest work yet. Expect lighter carbon wheels, improved aerodynamics, and tuning inspired by their World SBK race bikes. This isn't just a fast bike, it's an apex hunting machine built for riders who demand perfection. Number 2. 2026 Indian Challenger Darkhorse Next Gen. Indian's Challenger Darkhorse is already a crowd favorite, but the 2026 version could bring more power, adaptive LED headlights, and a high-tech infotainment system with built-in GPS and smartphone integration. It's the perfect mix of long-distance comfort and aggressive cruiser attitude. Number 1. 2026 Honda Hawk EV Sport. Topping the list is the rumored Honda Hawk EV Sport, a fully electric sport bike with performance numbers that rival gas-powered machines. We're talking 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, over 200 miles of range, and advanced regenerative braking. Honda's goal? To prove electric bikes can be thrilling, practical, and drop-dead gorgeous. Well, riders, that wraps up our countdown of the most anticipated motorcycles set to hit the streets in 2026. Honestly, just thinking about these machines makes me want to skip ahead in time and throw a leg over each and every one of them. From the mind-blowing technology we're seeing in electric motorcycles, to the return of some old-school legends that are being reimagined for the modern era. 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting years in recent motorcycle history. But remember, this is just the preview reel. Manufacturers love to keep their cards close to their chests, so there's a good chance we're going to see some wild curveballs before the year arrives. Maybe a surprise entry from a brand we're not even talking about right now. Maybe a revolutionary new engine design. Or maybe an ultra-lightweight superbike that redefines performance standards. And when those announcements drop, you better believe we'll be talking about them right here. If you had a blast on this ride through the future of motorcycling, do me a favor, smash that like button. It takes less than a second for you, but it means the world to me. And it tells YouTube you're enjoying the content. And if you're new here, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single update. We've got first looks, hands-on reviews, and some head-to-head comparisons planned that are going to make choosing your next bike even harder, but in the best possible way. Now here's where you come in. I want to hear your thoughts, because this channel isn't just me talking at you, it's us talking with each other. Which 2026 bike gets your blood pumping the most? Is it the cutting-edge electric rocket with insane torque? The resurrected classic cruiser dripping with retro style? Or maybe the all-rounder adventure bike that promises to take you from the highway to the mountains without breaking a sweat? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one, and some of your takes end up sparking entire videos on their own. And if you want to hang out between uploads, I'm active on Instagram and Facebook, posting behind-the-scenes clips, sneak peeks of upcoming videos, and even some personal riding moments. Who knows? If you're local, we might even cross paths on the open road. At the end of the day, remember this. It's not about the biggest horsepower number, the flashiest paint job, or even the price tag. It's about the feeling. That moment when you fire up the engine, feel the vibrations through your gloves, and know you're about to leave everything else behind for a while. That's what riding is about. It's freedom, it's escape, it's pure connection between rider and machine. So keep your eyes on the road ahead, both literally and in terms of the future. The next few years are going to be an incredible ride, and I'm glad we get to share it together. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for being part of this community, and most importantly, ride safe, ride smart, and ride often. I'll see you in the next video, because this journey, it's only just beginning.